this is one of the most unique question types on the SAT math section, and it's a question type that I think just throws a lot of people off, disorients them. And so I want to write just kind of a little script that illustrates what the SAT expects out of us when we have a question like this. So I call these dead-end questions, and you'll find out in a second why. But basically, the whole thing is that they'll throw you a bone. In this case, they gave us the vertex, which we'll talk about here in just a second. You'll take that bone and do some math, and then you'll reach a dead end. And it's here that most people are going to give up and just be like, I have no idea what to go or what to do after this. So from there, you want to look at all the information available. And then after that, you'll eliminate answer choices based on the information. Okay, so in this case, they said that a parabola on the xy plane has a vertex of -5, 9, and cross the x-axis at 2 points. So that means that it's going to be above the x-axis and kind of come down like that. If the equation follows the standard form of a parabola, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are non-integer constants, which of the following could be the value of a plus b plus c? So the throw you the bone here is that they gave you the vertex, so we can use vertex form, which is a times x minus h squared plus k. And so in this case, it's going to be a times x plus 5 squared plus 9. And that's because the hk is going to be the xy coordinate of the vertex. And so then from there, we can expand this out. So it's going to be a times x squared plus 10x plus 25, and then plus 9. And from here, we're going to go ahead and distribute the a. So ax squared plus 10ax plus 25a plus 9. And it's here that most people are going to give up. They're going to feel like they just reached a dead end. Because they're going to maybe at best be able to see that a plus b plus c is going to equal a plus 10a plus 25a plus 9. And so that's going to be in total then 36a plus 9. So what we can do with this here is we can now look back in the question and see what kind of information do I have available? Do I have anything that would allow me to understand what a might be? And it's here that we come back to the vertex and that it crossed the x-axis at 2 points. So this right here indicates to us that a is less than 0. And we can know that because whenever we have a negative parabola, it's always an upside down u, whereas a regular u would be a positive x squared, right? And so based on that, if a is less than 0, then it has to be something less than 9. That's our only option then, if a is going to be a negative number, and that's why we know then that 2 is the correct answer. If you found this helpful and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all about what we just discussed, feel free to write in the comments as well.